Hey, this is David. Today I'm going to show you how to test and replace the door switch on an electric Kenmore dryer. The door switch detects whether the dryer door is open or closed, so the dryer only starts its cycle when the door is securely shut. You might need to change out this part if it failed testing or has been damaged. Before we get started, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss our latest repair guides. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. The first thing we need to do is get our tools together. Today we'll need a putty knife, a Phillips head screwdriver, a 1/4-inch nut driver, and a multimeter. And please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your dryer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. Now let's get started. To get to the door switch, you'll need to use your putty knife to push in on the 2 clips that hold the console in place. We'll need to use a 1/4-inch nut driver to remove the top panel. You should be able to see the switch on the left side, and you'll also have access to the connector, which you can separate. Now you'll need to use your multimeter set to continuity to check the 2 pins going to the switch. There should be continuity with the door closed. If there's no continuity, the switch will need to be replaced. You can also tell if the switch is bad by looking inside the door to see if the tab that contacts the door is broken or missing. To remove the door switch, we need to plug the switch back in and then use the Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 2 screws holding the switch in place. Now you can remove the switch from the connector. I did this so if I dropped the switch, it wouldn't fall into the cabinet. We'll do this the same way when we install the new switch. Here's the old switch and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. We need to plug the new switch into the connector. Position it in place and secure it with the 2 screws. Then put the top back on and install the screws holding the top on. Once you've done that, you can clip the console back into place. Don't forget to plug the dryer back in or flip the circuit breaker back on. You made it. Now that wasn't so bad, was it? And thanks for joining us today. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments below. If you haven't gotten a replacement door switch yet, grab your model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to order one. Orders usually arrive in just a few days. While you're here, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. We've got lots more troubleshooting and repair videos and, of course, all the parts you need to do it yourself at AppliancePartsPros.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.